Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Let's do an unboxing and review on this UGREEN 2-in-1 desktop charger. So we got to cut a seal. Let's cut the seal right here. There's one on top. Now we should be able to push. Let's see exactly what comes in the box. All right. It's kind of heavy, so be careful. I don't know if there's any cables or anything. Let's see this. Here's the actual charger. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to find the cable to plug it in. USB-A on the front, 2 USB-Cs, and this angles up. All right, let's find the cord. Okay, so kind of like grab, there's little things right here. Now there's something down here. This is where the cable is. Yeah. And that's everything that comes in the box. So let's plug it in and see how it works. Okay, so here's the plug. Let's take this plastic off. We got to plug this in the back here. Okay, that cord is really long. It's a 2-prong cord. It's 78 inches long. Let's plug it in. Okay, so I got an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's got MagSafe. It's got a MagSafe case on it. Let's see how it does. All right, so it will charge an iPhone. And it sticks in there by a magnet. We can either rotate this down and charge it like that. Pretty nice, 100 watts. I like the bottom's got kind of like a gripper on it. Height-wise, 3.5, and it looks like it's a square. 2 1/4, yeah, 2 1/4. So with the directions here, it talks about the USB-A is for like a tablet, phone, or earbuds. The 2 USB-Cs, tablet, phone, or laptop. Okay, so it has a chart here. Let's go over all the different. So when you've got when you're just using either USB-C port will provide 100 watts, but only if you only have one thing plugged in. The minute you got 2 things plugged in, there's what it goes down to. Now it does say the wireless is capable of 15 watts. When you've got 3 plugged in, 45, 30, and 22.5. Now here it talks about when you're using the wireless, you've got, when you've got the iPhone on there, you got down to 65 watts for either USB-C or 22.5 for the USB-A. And then when you've got all 4 going, no, all 3 going again. And then this is when you have all 4. The wireless, 45, 25, and 10. Yeah, here's kind of a close-up of the USB-Cs and USB-A ports. Yeah, now nothing charges back here. This is very well made. It looks really nice. I don't see any lights on it anywhere. So again, it looks really nice and it charges my iPhone. I can have it charge my laptop, my earbuds. It's a really nice feature. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.